Thanksgiving can be hectic, but I've got a Girls Can Grill hack for you. We're gonna make 3 sides at the same time, all on the grill. First things first, we gotta load up some coals. Today I'm cooking on the Masterbuilt XT. All you do is open up the hatch, grab your charcoal. I'm always cooking with Cowboy. Just close down that top. Turn this on. What makes these dishes easy is that we're gonna cook them all at 375 degrees. With the XT, you just need to drop the lever, set your temperature. We're going to 375. Insert your fire starter, light it up, and close the door. First, we have roasted root vegetables. Inside this bowl, I have potatoes, carrots, parsnips, beets, and some shallots. We're gonna add in some olive oil and some of my chicken rub. Just give that a nice stir. Make sure everything's evenly coated, and then go ahead and pour it into your dish. Get all of those shallots too. Those are gonna add some nice flavor. Okay, so dish number 1 is ready to go on the grill. Next, we're gonna make green bean casserole. So in this bowl, I have some cream of mushroom soup. I'm gonna add in a half a cup of milk. Just mix that together, along with about a tablespoon of soy sauce. You just want everything to be smooth. Then I'm using frozen green beans that I have thawed. I find that they cook a little bit better. They end up being a little bit more tender. Just fold those together. And then we're gonna add in half of this cheese. I am using sharp cheddar cheese. Then you just pour this right into a baking dish. Spread it out evenly. Then we're gonna take the rest of this cheddar cheese and just put it right on top. Lastly, we're gonna add some crunchy fried onions. You don't have to make these yourself. You can find these usually in the salad dressing section on the top shelf in a bag, or sometimes they come in like this little cardboard container. That's it. So now our second dish is ready for the grill. Do you see how easy and fast this is? For our final side dish, we're gonna do some smoked mushrooms. I have a medley of mushrooms in here. I'm just gonna toss them with some olive oil. I'm also going to add in 2 cloves of minced garlic. And now my brisket rub. So this is gonna be basically like salt and pepper, but it's also got some chilies in it, a little bit of umami flavor. About a teaspoon or so. Go ahead and mix that all up. You just want the mushrooms to get slightly coated with that olive oil and the seasoning. And then I've got a cast iron skillet here. You can use another baking dish, it's whatever you prefer. I'm going to add these right in here. Again, spread them out evenly. I'm gonna hit them with just a little bit more olive oil. And another sprinkle of my brisket rub, which is available now on my website. And there you have it. We've got our 3 side dishes ready for the grill. Now that the grill's been preheated, we're gonna start with the roasted root veg, because this is gonna take the longest to cook. Go ahead and set the timer for 20 minutes. Once that goes off, it'll be time to add the other 2 side dishes. 20 minutes is up. It's time to put the other 2 dishes right on the grill. And let those cook for another 25 to 30 minutes. All right, it's been 25 minutes. Let's check out these side dishes. Everything is ready. Time to get dinner served. We've got the roasted root vegetables. We've got the smoked mushrooms. And of course, Mom's traditional green bean casserole. Now here's how I like to finish things off. For the root veg, I'm just gonna hit it with a little bit of balsamic vinegar. And I'm gonna sprinkle on a little bit more of my chicken rub. You can hear that sizzle. And those are ready. For the green bean casserole, I'm just gonna add a little bit of color with some diced green onions right on top. And for the mushrooms, I like to shave on a little bit of cheese. You can do Parmesan if you like to. I like to do fontina because it melts really nicely. You can also use regular shredded cheese if you like to. I just think the shavings look pretty. And I'm just using a vegetable peeler. And for a little color and flavor, I like to put in some fresh thyme leaves. And there you have it. 1 grill, 3 side dishes in about an hour. Thanksgiving can be that easy when you're cooking with Cowboy.